Have you ever acted quickly and regretted it later? What if you could stay calm in any situation? Imagine facing life's problems with peace and wisdom instead of stress. Today, we'll share 7 lessons on how to control your emotions by not reacting impulsively. Stay with us to learn these life-changing insights. Lesson 1. Understand the nature of emotions. Emotions are natural and come from our thoughts. They are temporary and can change fast. By knowing that emotions don't last long, we can avoid making quick decisions based on them. For example, when you feel angry, recognize it, let it pass, and then choose a wise response. Lesson 2. Reflect before reacting. Before you react to something, take a moment to think. When something makes you emotional, pause and think before you act. For instance, if someone says something that makes you angry, take a deep breath and count to 10. This pause helps you calm down and see things more clearly. Lesson 3. Embrace the power of silence. Silence helps control our emotions. When you face an emotional trigger, a moment of silence can help you gather your thoughts. For example, if you receive criticism, instead of defending yourself right away, take a few moments of silence to process it. Lesson 4. Practice dispassion. Dispassion means looking at your emotions from a distance. Instead of getting caught up in strong feelings, watch them like an outsider. For instance, when you feel anger rising, imagine watching your anger from afar, like clouds passing in the sky. Lesson 5. Limit your exposure. We are constantly exposed to things that trigger emotions. Limit your exposure to negative influences. Be mindful of where you go, what you watch, and who you spend time with. Create a peaceful environment around you. Lesson 6. Respond with calmness and composure. Make a habit of taking deep breaths in stressful situations. Deep breathing reduces stress and gives you a moment to think. Practice listening carefully during conversations, especially in conflicts, to understand the other person better. Lesson 7. Practice gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. Start a daily gratitude journal, writing down 3 things you are thankful for each day. Show gratitude to others to strengthen your relationships. Include gratitude in your mindfulness practices. By understanding emotions, practicing mindfulness, embracing silence, being patient, becoming self-aware, letting go of control, and showing compassion, you can master controlling your emotions. As Buddha said, you will not be punished for your anger. You will be punished by your anger. Thank you for watching Deeplearn. If you found these lessons helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more wisdom and inspiration.